Do you have breakfast? Do you want to eat breakfast? Get it? I am back on my protein coffee game. I truly just like it too much as my morning routine. Like, I like pairing the protein with my caffeine, and I don't want to eat for a little while. So it really helps me stay full for a little bit in the morning before I actually feel like cooking breakfast. And it just works for me, and I love it. Good morning, happy December, happy winter arc season. Sorry I have not been able to talk much. My boyfriend's still sleeping, so I'm trying to be quiet. Honestly, I woke up so tired this morning, but I'm in such a good mood now. Maybe it's because I just finished my cup of coffee, I don't know. But we're gonna get ready for the gym soon. I'm excited because I bought myself some new equipment to take to the gym. I'll show you that. I can't believe it's Vlogmas season. Vlogmas is such a fun time of year, and it's still the beginning. I have such motivation. I'm excited. I love posting every day. That being said, subscribe now. Turn on your notifications because I'm sure I won't post at the same time every day, but I am posting every day till Christmas, which is crazy. Before we get ready for the gym though, I think we should make some creatine. Let's do that. I really don't take a ton of supplements. However, I'm currently testing out these like hair growth supplements. I am like a week and a half in. I'll keep you updated, of course. We'll see if they end up doing anything. I took before clips, but like I'm not gonna make any conclusions till at least 1 month. 3 of them though. 3 is a lot of capsules to take for 1 pill, in my opinion. Or 1 supplement, I should say. For my creatine, however, I normally, if I'm making a drink, like if we have orange juice or I want a liquid IV, I'll make it into an actual drink so that I can wash it down because it has like a subtle taste. Even though it's unflavored, just the supplement itself has a subtle taste. But I'm just trying to throw it back right now, so I'm going to make it into a tiny little shot. Because I'm not a dry scooper. I just don't want to put myself through that, so. Like I said, I'm not always taking a bunch of supplements, but creatine is something I will stick to. It draws water into your muscles, and it's also really good for brain health. So it does a lot of different things. It's the most studied supplement that exists. If you don't take it, look into it, check it out. I'll have the one I take linked, of course. I feel like I've drank so much water already and the day hasn't even started. Next, I'm gonna go to my desk, and I've actually been really good about journaling every morning. I'll make a filming to do, a regular to do, and then a gratitude and a manifestation section. I just love how it starts my day and keeps me on track. Journaling is something I've always wanted to stick to, and I've finally actually been doing it for a few weeks now, and I think it just makes the biggest difference. It makes me more productive. It just sets my mind. Like, I really do love it. Let's get dressed for the gym. All black is always a slay. Take Duncan out twice in the morning. I take him out right when he wakes me up because he is my alarm clock. He wakes me up every day, typically around 6:30. So I'll take him out, just let him pee right away before I feed him. But also by having to like get up, go out to the elevator where it's like super bright, all the lights are on, and then go all the way outside, let him pee and come all the way back in. Like, I'm usually awake by then. I'm not tempted to get back into bed because I know I wouldn't be able to fall asleep if I tried. Weekends are a bit of a different story, but I just took him out for the second time so that he could poop because he had his breakfast and everything. So I'm pretty much ready for the gym. I typically don't go till 9 just because people are starting work at like 9, so it's usually pretty empty. So because I'm super flexible, I take advantage of that. It's just after 8:30 right now though, and I'm like ready and kind of want to go. So I'm doing the Alive app again, and I'm really loving it, per usual. I don't really do any skincare before the gym because I'm just gonna go and sweat and then shower anyway. So I like to ice roll in the morning typically to wake me up, but that's really it. Shoes are on. I wear a smart ring. This is the Ultra Human ring. I do have a discount code worldwide. I'll put it in the description box, save some money. Also, this one has no fee and it is the same price for all finishes, which I really like. But I have this like silicone protector sleeve that I wear over it so that I can wear it when I work out. So I put that on. And then some new stuff I want to show you. So I switched up my gym bag. I literally just work out in my apartment gym. So like I just have to go downstairs. I don't go far, but I do like to bring a bag still with a few things in it. This isn't a new bag. I've had it. I just switched out the one I use, but it is from Amazon. I'll link it if you're interested. However, recently I bought my own little barbell pad because I think it's cute and fun and it's just nice to kind of have your own stuff. We have one at the gym, like it's fine. I've been using that like up until now, but I was like, you know what? Why don't I get my own? It's not expensive and this one is nice quality. Like the other one is squishy foam. This one has this like protector on it so it doesn't get slimy and sticky, and pink makes it fun. Romanticizes the gym. It makes it fun. And then I also got, which I will be using both of these today, my own little ankle straps for the cable machine. So this is fun too. I always bring wrist straps too. I bought these from the Alive app, like site. And then I also bring a little booty band for warm-ups. Put my headphones on. I like to wear the over-the-head headphones. These are Beats. Water, obviously, I did just fill this up not too long ago. And keys, and I think I'm ready. So I've completed all 3 Legs Get It programs, beginner, intermediate, and advanced, but they released a phase 2 of their Legs Get It program, so I'm doing that now. Okay, let's go work out. I take the stairs down to the gym to kind of start warming my body up, and then I'll pull out a mat and the booty band and get started on the app, starting with a warm-up, of course, and then my first exercise was some classic Bulgarian split squats. I honestly love these. Like, I know a lot of people hate them, but I truly like to do them. Then we moved into hip thrusts, and I got to use my new barbell pad, which was pretty exciting and honestly just made it more fun. Then I used this machine for my hamstrings. I filmed every set, and each time the angle just did not improve. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with. Then I got to put on my new ankle straps, which also was very exciting. And I did some glute medius kickbacks. Of course, ending with a cool down, and then I headed out and to the cardio gym where I walked a mile just to get in some more steps, loosen it out, and that was my workout for the day. Hi, I missed you. Oh my goodness. Workout was so good. Like, I really feel so great. I love the Alive app so much. My sister actually called when I was down there, so I like took a little break and talked to her on the phone, which was nice. She lives in Wisconsin, so I don't like see her very often, and you just don't talk to them enough. So I was having a chat with her for a little bit. Brighten up my day a little, I am so hungry though. It's breakfast time. My go-to breakfast is always eggs with cottage cheese in it. It fluffs it up and adds protein, which is really awesome. Normally, I just throw in the microwave 2 like turkey breakfast sausage patties. If you're not new here, you've seen me do it like a million times, but I decided to get like actual ground turkey breakfast sausage instead of the pre-made freezer ones and cook it myself. So this is the first time doing that. We'll see if I like this route or not. I figured I could make a bunch at the beginning of the week and then have it throughout the week. Today I'm just gonna do a serving. I like measured out what a serving is because I don't know how to eyeball meat. So I'm gonna like brown this over the stove and then add in the egg mixture. I think that's a good idea. I mostly wanted to switch it up and try it this way because I think it's cheaper than buying the pre-made ones. And I go through so many of them because I have them for breakfast like every day. So we'll see if I like this or if I want to switch back. It is pretty good. Like, it is pre-seasoned. It is breakfast turkey sausage. I think the other one might taste a little better. Maybe just because the brand. The other one I usually buy is like Jimmy Dean, whereas this is like the off-brand store brand. Either way, I like to have a good high-protein breakfast, especially after a workout. Okay, before I get in the shower, I want to open something with you. After I was done walking on the treadmill, I went to grab some packages from the front because I had some, and this is really exciting for me. It is from First Aid Beauty. First Aid Beauty is literally my #1 favorite skincare brand. I have been using their Ultra Repair Cream consistently and like the biggest fan of it for 4 years now. And I talk about them all the time. If I ever do skincare in my videos, chances are I'm using one or more of their products. And they DM'd me a few weeks ago to send me some goodies, which is literally like such a full circle and a dream come true. Like when I tell you they're my #1 favorite skincare brand, I'm wholeheartedly saying that. Yes, I like a few other skincare brands, but I love First Aid Beauty. And so I got 2 of their little holiday bundles. I always love a little pouch. Oh, there's even pockets in here for the little products. So we have their KP Bump Eraser. I use this literally mostly on my butt cheeks because sometimes in the winter when I'm constantly wearing leggings and like the fabric rubs against your butt, I get like folliculitis. That really exfoliates and clears it right up. And then also their body nourishing oil. This looks amazing. This bundle, it's called a Moisturize on the Mountain. It's a holiday set. So you get in it their facial radiance pads, which I have tried before and I do really like. An Ultra Repair Cream, tried and true. I have such dry skin. I love it and I will repurchase it forever, especially to use at night. Ooh, their Pure Skin Face Cleanser. I have used their cleanser before and I do like it. And also a hydrating eye cream. Who doesn't love a good eye cream? So a huge thank you to First Aid Beauty. Like this is my first PR I'm ever receiving from them and it's so exciting. They're the best, especially if you have dry or like sensitive skin. They keep that in mind so much. So a big thank you to them. I will have the holiday bundles linked if you're interested because it really seems like a great value. And if I ever get something exciting in the mail like sent to me, I have to thank you. You know, like this is because of you. And I'm so proud of the community that I have built so far. And this is truly a dream come true. Like every day I get to sit down and like just film myself doing something. It's like what a literal dream come true. So thank you so much for being here. I always charge my ring whenever I take a shower. It is water resistant, waterproof, I don't know, some level of that, but it's just convenient to take it off and shower without it so I can use my products and stuff without wearing rings and then just let it charge. Because obviously I don't charge it at night because one of the main functions is for it to measure your sleep and give you sleep stats. So I wear it at night and just charge it when I take a shower. And little charges every single day definitely work and get me through. I definitely do more skincare at night compared to the morning, but I'll just go in with a moisturizer. See, this is already my own Ultra Repair Cream, not the one I opened today. I love it so much, especially for the winter, especially if you have dry skin, but I typically do use it year round. Maybe not always in the morning in the summer months, but always at night. My skin just loves it. And then of course I want to go in with some sunscreen. I know it's winter, but the sun still exists. It still comes through the clouds, reflects off the ice and the snow if you are in colder weather. And if you're not like me, we still get sun here just because we do. So sunscreen all the time, year round. I like to let this like chill and soak in and like dry a little before I put anything over it. So I'm gonna get dressed. I just threw on something comfy. I'll show you in a minute. I have a meeting in about an hour and a half and then I need to edit and run to the store. So lately, I've been really liking the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. I'm gonna go walk Duncan like before my meeting and stuff. So I always wear a hat, not only for the sun, but I just like to wear hats when I'm out walking him. I don't know. I like the little bit of disguise, kind of, if that makes any sense. But so I'm not really gonna put it on my forehead because then it's just gonna get all over my hat. And then we'll do an Aquaphor moment in the brows and the lashes, just to make the brows kind of stay. And sometimes I'll curl the lashes, sometimes I'll literally just brush them up if I'm feeling lazy. I don't even do this for growth. I don't know if it helps growth or not. I just do it when I want to put on a tiny bit of makeup and I want my lashes to look combed and neat and pretty, but I'm definitely not putting on mascara. I'll either just use the spoolie or I'll Aquaphor, then curl them, and then use this like eyelash comb separator thing. And a little lip tint for some color and some life. Let that dry down. And a gloss over top. Just a little bit, just makes me feel better and more put together. And now we go walk Duncan. I need this bag. It has pepper spray and an alarm, and it will also have my phone and my keys. And then lately I've been trying to practice a lot with him with recall. So I bring this leash and I actually connect it to his other leash, so that if I go to like a grassy area along our walk, I connect the both. He has like a longer range of motion and then he's kind of just like doing his thing, sniffing about, and then we practice recall. So as he's like distracted sniffing, we work on getting him to come back to me. So that's like what we're currently doing right now. So I need that. I also need treats for him. I really go on my walks like strapped and, you know. And lastly, we need the dunk. Come here, baby. And we're ready to go. Let's go for a walk.
Here? Duncan, here? Good job. His recall is okay. It's like very hit or miss when we're outside with distractions, which makes sense. There's a house that sometimes has really pretty like packaged flowers outside and there's no sign or anything. And I'm like, are they free? Can I just take one? I would love to, but I'm confused. Like, what do you think if they're just sitting outside? Like, I don't want to steal someone's flowers, but like I would love to just take one home if they're up for grabs.
So good. I love the holiday flavors, always. Pretty much every morning is some sort of variation of this. So I'm gonna drink this, get to work, and that's it for my winter arc morning routine. Trying to keep up with my habits and work towards my goals even throughout the winter season. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. This is just the beginning of Vlogmas. We have plenty more to come, and I'll see you in my next one.